If you want to know how to use the microphone access on your Samsung phone, so in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just tap on Controls and Alerts, and on this page you will find the option of microphone access. Now, if you want to restrict the use of microphone access on all the apps on your smartphone, like if you do not want an app on your smartphone to use the microphone of your Samsung phone, just disable this toggle. And as you can see, it is saying, do you want to block the access to the microphone? Just select Block. And after you do that, you will block the microphone access to all the apps on your smartphone. Now, if you want to enable the microphone access, just enable the toggle for microphone access over here. And by doing that, you will give all the apps on your Samsung phone the access to the microphone. And you can also add the shortcut for the microphone access to the control center. For that, just go to your home screen and open the control center on your Samsung phone. Then tap on Edit. Under the Available Buttons section, you will find the option of microphone access over here. Just tap on it to add it to your control center. Then select Done. And after you do that, you will add the shortcut for the microphone access to your control center. And you will be able to restrict the use of the microphone of your Samsung phone from your control center. Just tap on it and select Block. And if you want to give the access to the microphone, just tap on it to turn it on. As you can see, we have turned off the microphone access on our Samsung phone. And if we try to use the microphone on our Samsung phone, for an example, I will start video recording. As you can see, it is asking us to turn on the microphone access on our Samsung phone. And this is how you can use the microphone access on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.